What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and today we're going to be talking about how to cop one of the most controversial sneakers of 2023, the upcoming Tiffany Co Nike Air Force One collab. As you guys can see, these have officially been loaded on the sneakers now, and it's not too long from now that we're officially going to be able to cop them. So stay tuned and make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button while we go ahead and talk a little bit more about it. And I did want to say for the record that I tend not to make a lot of how to cop videos just because there's not a whole lot of science to it, given that bots used to really control the game. But these are special, and if you didn't catch my last video that I uploaded just a few weeks ago, the opinions on this one are really split and divided. Now, when it comes to your boy, I like to go straight to the source, and as you guys can see, we're heading straight to Tiffany's actual website for this collaboration, and we're going straight to the belly of the beast. Now, the first date that sticks out to me is this March 3rd date, and we're going to talk a little bit more about why that's important. Now, for this actual release, what we do know is that it's going to be releasing on the Sneakers app, and as you guys can see, it's also going to be releasing through the actual Tiffany & Co website. And while it does say that some select retailers will receive them, I wouldn't count on it just because we know these are lucrative and they're going to be probably and more than likely backdoored. Looking at you, Marcus Jordan. But yeah, guys, so a little bit more about the whole process through Tiffany. As you can see, as of March 3rd, that's when clients will actually have the opportunity to sign up or basically kind of enroll for the opportunity to purchase these from tiffany.com. And as stated on their website, the way this release is basically going to work is as of 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 3rd, you'll have the ability for a short window to actually enroll for the opportunity to purchase these. What then ends up happening is on March 6th, you will receive an email basically letting you know your eligibility. Hey, do you have the ability to buy these? And if so, as of March 7th, they will then begin to process those orders. They do go on to mention that there are 2 flagship stores that you can purchase them from in store as a delivery option as opposed to shipping. However, one is in New York, or they might actually both. So for all my other people out of state, good luck with that. Now, as you can see, the shipping cost is $20, and they do mention that there is only this black collaboration. However, you may see other pieces on their influencers and collaborators, but don't expect the pieces to be available. Now, I will say the way they present the sneaker on their website with the high quality photos do make it look luxe and kind of like more luxury, if you will. But again, my question to all of you guys as viewers is, are these worth the $400 retail? The resale on these right now is absolutely through the roof, and I'm going to go ahead and put those images up right now. Yeah, personally, I don't think it's there. That little sterling silver piece right there on the back near the heel, that's allegedly the whole reason why this collaboration is so expensive, and it makes sense given that there is that little silver piece to the actual sneaker, but I don't think they're worth 400 right off the rip. Now, these 4 accessories you would think are included with that $400 retail, but unfortunately they're not. If any of them were, I would think that the piece all the way on the left, which is the Dubray, which ultimately goes on the kind of clip where the laces are, and I'll show you here in just a second, I would think that that would be included just because it would be a nice little touch right here, exactly where my mouse is, but again, those accessories that we just saw are expected to retail anywhere from $250 all the way up to $475, which again I understand because it's Tiffany's, and if you don't know the history, they have quite an expensive retail price in general. So yeah, guys, those accessory pieces are not included in that $400 retail price. Now, with all that being said, I want to pass the mic to you guys and ask you again, what do you think of them, and do you think they're worth the $400 retail? Tiffany has started their rollout of influencers wearing them, and this is Carmelo Anthony. As you can see, they're trying to pass it off as kind of like a whole luxury thing, and I get it because it's minimalistic and it kind of uses a more premium looking suede, it looks like, but again, what is your guys' opinion, and are you going to try to cop these? I also wanted to remark that I don't think this is the last time we're going to see another luxury brand collab with a brand like Jordan or Nike. I think that this is just the start, and again, it wasn't too long ago that brands like Louis Vuitton did collaborations with the NBA and things like that. So this is Tiffany's attempt for being like a 200-year-old brand to kind of get with the times and get with the youth. So let me know if you're still a fan of Tiffany and what you overall think of this collab. Now to summarize this video, unfortunately the only way you're going to be able to cop these is from the actual website, or if by some miracle you happen to sacrifice your firstborn child and the sneaker gods decide to bless you. I personally haven't figured out the perfect sacrificial recipe for sneaker success, but yeah guys, if you have any other tips for sneakers, post them here in the comments. Go ahead and like this video if you made it this far for good luck, and let me know what you guys think overall. Thanks for watching, of course, stay safe, and thanks for cooking with the kitchen. Peace and take it easy, guys.